Hey there, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another update on the project. A lot of work has been done over the past 2 or 3 weeks here, and I'm going to walk you through it. So let's go in and let's see what's been done, and then we'll talk about what's going to be done in the next few days. Okay, so the last video you probably saw was that the walls were up. Well, a lot has been done since the walls have been put up. Right over here you can see the windows are in. We have 1, 2, 3 windows in right now. That's all the windows that are going in. They all open fully. This one over here is a bay window. 2 of those open up. The center unfortunately does not open up. All the electric is in. All the electric is roughed in. All the switches are roughed in. All the outlets are roughed in. The router and the coax cable for the phones and the router systems all roughed in. Lights, under counter lights, low voltage roughed in. Everything is roughed in for the electric. Go all around here slowly and you can see that. The gas line is in. You can see that there's a pressure test on the gas line. That's been signed off by the inspector already. The plumber just has to come back and get his gauge. The cut-through is done. You can see here the cut-through is done. The old kitchen is still in there. We're fully using the old kitchen. Thankfully, we still have a stove, oven, sink, plumbing, everything. That will be the last thing to go. The contractor will cut through the wall eventually, but it'll be when this kitchen is fully functional. This wall here, that's a temporary wall. That's going to come out and that's going to open up into our den where our fireplace and couches and all that good stuff. All the insulation is in. R15 insulation in the walls, R38 in the ceiling. That's pretty thick, pretty heavy. That's all put in. All the lights are put in. Everything's put in. So basically what's left to be done here? Well, we're going to walk outside in a little bit and we'll see what's left there. But the wallboard, drywall has to be put in. All put in, put down. The flooring all has to be put down. And once all that is done, then the kitchen cabinets can go in. Unfortunately, because we're coming out of the pandemic, material is hard to get. It's hard to get line of sight to when the cabinets and things such as that are coming in. Anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks. Right now we're about a month. So, that's where we are with that. So we're going to go outside and see what's left to be done outside. All right, and you can see outside here, none of the siding is in. And all that work is going to be done tomorrow. The siding is going to be put in, and that's going to make the outside of the building look finished. And that's going to be a good thing, because once that's done, then I can go and I can start getting the yard back in shape, cutting out plants and stuff that I've overgrown, fixing the lawn, getting all the rocks and everything out of the lawn. But that's still a lot of work. That work is all on me. The contractor's not doing that work. So we moved along great. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give us a thumbs down. But whatever you do, leave a comment and subscribe. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the next video.